Join me as I take on the challenge of making the most delicious latkes from scratch. Can I get them crispy and golden just right? Today, we're diving into how to make mouth-watering latkes that will impress your family and friends. Making latkes can be a bit tricky. By the way, the recipe for latkes can be found in the posts of my channel. But please, watch this video first till the end. Many people struggle with getting their latkes crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The key is to not overwork the potatoes and to get rid of excess moisture. This way, when you fry them, they'll crisp up nicely. Using the right type of potatoes is crucial too. Look for high-starch potatoes like russet or Idaho. Another common pitfall is overcrowding the pan. This causes the latkes to steam instead of sear, leading to a soggy texture. To avoid this, fry in batches if you have to. Getting the oil temperature right is also important. It should be hot but not smoking. To start, you'll need a few simple ingredients: several large potatoes, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, some flour, salt, and pepper. You'll also need vegetable oil for frying. The first step is peeling and grating the potatoes. A box grater or food processor with a grating attachment works great for this. Be careful not to grate your fingers. After grating, you'll need to squeeze out as much moisture from the potatoes as possible. This can be done using a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. The grated potatoes and onion go into a large bowl. Add the eggs, flour, salt, and pepper and mix everything together, but make sure not to overmix. The mixture should be just combined. Now heat a non-stick skillet or a frying pan with about ½ inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, use a spoon to drop small amounts of the potato mixture into the oil. Flatten them slightly with a spatula. Fry the latkes until they're golden brown on both sides, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. The secret ingredient that elevates their flavor is a sprinkle of garlic powder or a clove of minced garlic added to the potato mixture. This gives the latkes a depth of flavor. Once fried, place the latkes on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. To wrap up, we've learned how to make latkes that are both crispy and flavorful, perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out our other cooking videos and let us know your favorite latke tips in the comments below. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.